Welcome back to Cozy Vue. Today we're looking at beautiful tea sets and full dinner sets. They feel vintage, elegant, and full of charm. First, notice the colors. You'll see soft pink, mint green, blue, white, and gold. These shades feel calm and clean, but also rich and special. Now look closely at the designs. Many cups and plates have roses, small flowers, and fine patterns. Some sets have shiny gold edges. Some have classic shapes with curved handles and delicate details. And the best part is this: every set has its own theme. Each one gives a different feeling. Some look romantic, some look royal, and some feel simple and cozy. What I love most is the mood they create. These sets look warm and peaceful. They remind me of slow mornings, soft sunlight, and quiet tea time. Like a home where everything feels neat, gentle, and beautiful. A tea set like this can change the whole room. Even a simple table looks more special, and even plain tea feels more enjoyable. If you love vintage home decor, you will love this style. It's classic, timeless, and always beautiful. Tell me in the comments, which set is your favorite? Pink, mint, blue, or gold? Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us for more cozy and elegant inspiration.